When we are talking about the Consumer Protection Act, it is very necessary for the consumer to become well informed. There is a need to become a well informed consumer by gaining knowledge and skill. Also, knowledge of rights will make a consumer able to differentiate between right or wrong. Then, corpora also led to separate departments of consumer affairs in central and state government. Department responsible for spreading of information about legal process to make people using them. When we are talking about consumer rights, we can also keep in mind about ISI and Eggmark. It is seen on commodities with logos of ISI, Eggmark or Hallmark. Logos are assurance of quality purchased by consumers. Producers can use these logos under certain quality standards which are monitored by issuing organizations. Not compulsory for all the producers to follow. Mandatory for the product of health and safety and mass consumption like LPG, cylinders, food colors, cement, packaged drinking water, electrical appliances, etc.